Hey, it's me, Bastian, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a large language model locally on your computer. In this case, I'm on a Windows laptop here. So lately, the tool I've been using is called Ollama. So what you wanna do is you wanna open up a browser and go to ollama.ai. My main computer for my day-to-day work is actually a MacBook, so I've installed all the tools there already, and I use it on a daily basis. But for this demo, and since many of my attendees of my Power Claim seminar are using Windows, let's see if this runs on Windows as well. I haven't tried that, so this is the first time here. So let's see how that turns out. Ollama says that it's available for Mac OS, Linux and Windows Preview. So let's see. Let's click on the download button and let's download the Windows version. Okay. Now once this has downloaded, we can install it. So I'm just starting the setup. All right, there we go. Let's click on install. So the Ollama tool is installing. So what Ollama is, it's actually only, let's say, the user interface into which you can download all sorts of open source LLMs, which you can then use through your local terminal on your computer. I'm just, while the tool is installing, I'm just gonna fast forward so that we don't waste your time. Okay, so now that Ollama is installed, you can see the little icon here, which shows you that it's running in the background actually. As I said, you use it through your Windows terminal. So let's fire up a new terminal. And the nice thing about Ollama is that you can download all sorts of different open source models. There's a very large and growing list of models. So for this demo, let's go for one of the most popular models, which is Llama 2. So what you want to do is you can browse through all the models in on the Ollama website. What you just want to do is run this command in your terminal. So we say Ollama run Llama 2, and since this is the first time I'm requesting to start Llama 2, it now pulls the model from the Ollama repository. This should take some time because it's 3.8 gigabytes in size. So again, I'm fast forwarding until the model is installed. Okay, there we go. That's it. The model has been installed. So now I have Llama 2 locally on my laptop. Now let's try it out. To really show you that it really runs offline, let me just remove my Wi-Fi connection, and let's also go to airplane mode so that there is no connection to the external world. And now we are right into the terminal, and we can just chat with the running Llama 2 model. So let's, for example, ask it, have you been trained on patent documents? So Llama 2 is thinking, and let's see what it responds. Okay, and so while Llama 2 is still typing, it has actually said that it was indeed trained on a large corpus of patent documents from around the world, including both granted patents and patent applications in various technical fields. So, which is nice because we want to use it to draft patents in my upcoming seminar. A quick note while the model is still typing on performance. So this is very, very slow. Until this point, it took the model like almost 5 minutes to come up with this answer. On my MacBook, it runs much faster. The problem is probably that this laptop here, this Windows machine, now it's finished. This Windows machine is a very basic laptop machine. So let me quickly show you what kind of computer this is. So this is actually a Surface Book 5, has some tiny little i5 processor and only 8 GB of RAM. So that's really probably among the smallest laptops you can get. It's working quite a bit, so you can see that of course running an LLM offline on your computer is hardware intensive. So this laptop would probably be too slow for me to use it productively. I will stick with my trusty MacBook. And if you're running Windows, now you have seen that it is possible in principle, but you should have a better hardware configuration probably. Okay, so that's it for this video. Now you know how to run an LLM offline on your Windows machine, and let's see you in the seminar. Bye bye.